with another wig review, and today is going to be from a company called ReadyWigs. They were kind enough to send me a wig to do a review on my channel so we can get to know a little bit more about their company and what they sell. But before we get into this review, I just want to let you know a little bit more about the company. They sell a lot of synthetic wigs in different variety of colors and styles. I also browsed the website and noticed that they sell human hair, closures, and weaves. They were also kind enough to give me an exclusion code, and this exclusion code, if you use it, will give you a discount. I'm not sure what the code is at this point, but when I do find out, I will link it right here and in the description box below. So let's get into the hair. I'm pretty sure that's what we want to see. That's the most important part. So, and this is what it's looking like straight out of the bag. It's really soft and it feels really thick. The lace, it feels soft. It does feel like soft lace. It's not a hard lace. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. We don't have a comb in the bag, but we do have the adjustable draw straps. We have 3 combs in the front, 2 in the temple area, and 1 in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and go ahead and put this one on and see what it looks like on me. This one is the ReadyWig Black Loose Wave Synthetic Lace Front Wig. It is 20 inches long and it is the number W-1008. Let me show y'all what the hairline looks like up close and personal. As you can see, it is ear to ear on me, which is a good thing. I like ear to ear. Let me show y'all the parting space on this wig. Okay, and this is what the parting space is looking like. This is a decent amount of parting space. This is pretty good. And you can part this wig anywhere in the front where you want. So that's a good thing too. This is about how much parting space you get. The tracks start about right up in here. So this is very good. I don't even think you need to go ahead and pluck. I think adding the powder by itself would definitely work. So that's a good thing that we can part anywhere in the perimeter of our head that we like. So that's a very good thing. Yeah, I'm loving the curl pattern on this one. What y'all think? I think this is cute. I really do. Okay, and this is what she is looking like after I gave her some baby hairs and some powder in the parting space. She is really, really cute. I really like this one. Let me show y'all what it looks like on each side. This is all the hair in the bag. It's pretty thick, but not heavy. This one is really, really pretty. I really like this one. The price for this one is $37.99 on the website, and I think it's definitely worth that price. So if y'all are interested in this wig or any other wigs, go ahead and check them out. Like I said before, the link will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. So I am going to end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it was very informative. Bye bye.